Imagine walking into a courtroom, and instead of a lawyer in a black robe, you see an AI bot presenting your case. No emotion, just logic, no delays, just data. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening in some parts of the world. But here's the burning question. Can AI really replace lawyers in India? Or is this just another tech hype with no ground reality? Let's dive into the courtroom of the future and the present. AIandLaw doesn't mean a robot with a law degree. It means algorithms that can draft contracts, predict case outcomes, summarize legal documents, do legal research in seconds, and even advise clients on basic legal rights. Globally, companies like Harvey AI and LexisNexis are transforming the legal landscape. But what does that mean for the 1.4 million lawyers in India? India has taken bold steps toward digitizing the judiciary, the e-courts mission mode project, AI-enabled transcription in the Supreme Court, and SUVAAS, the SC's own AI tool for translation and summarization. Law firms are using AI tools for research, case management, and due diligence. But let's be real. Most trial courtrooms still rely on handwritten notes and verbal arguments. So is AI helping lawyers or replacing them? Here's what AI can do. Draft legal templates, search thousands of judgments in seconds, predict trends in decisions, automate compliance, and translate legal texts into multiple languages. But what AI cannot do is argue with emotional intelligence, handle unexpected testimony, navigate local socio-cultural complexities, or persuade a judge with rhetorical skills. Law isn't just logic. It's language, ethics, interpretation, and empathy. India's legal system is uniquely complex. Multiple languages, diverse religious and customary laws, overburdened courts, and real human rights concerns. Can an AI truly understand caste dynamics in a land dispute, or argue a sensitive bail matter in a POCSO case? And there's a constitutional angle. The right to be defended by a legal practitioner, professional ethics under the Advocates Act, and privacy under BCI rules. Should AI even be allowed to give legal advice? That's the real ethical battlefield. The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. Lawyers who adapt to AI tools will thrive. Those who don't may fall behind. The new age lawyer must be tech literate, skilled in legal tech, and able to interpret AI data critically. Think of AI as your junior intern who never sleeps. It drafts, compiles, analyzes, but needs you to lead. Some countries have tested AI for minor claims and traffic fines. But in India, judicial discretion is tied to Article 21, the right to a fair trial. No machine can replicate judicial empathy and constitutional morality. AI may assist judges, but replace them? Not anytime soon. So, let's answer the question once and for all. AI will not replace lawyers. But lawyers who use AI will replace those who don't. In India's complex legal ecosystem, AI is a tool, not a threat. Embrace it, understand it, use it. Do you think AI should be allowed to practice law in India? Drop your views in the comments. If you're a law student, advocate, or just curious, this is your space. Subscribe for more insights into law, technology, and public policy. Until next time, I'm decoding the future, one case at a time.